Hello guys, this is a moment you've been waiting for. Okay, what you see there, uh, metal rods from a hanger that I cut. I messed up 2 hangers, sand them down, and that's what you see. These are not glued yet. See, I'll show you. It's not glued. Um, it's not an easy task because I want that shit to be perfectly glued, no gaps, no nothing. So the rods are pretty much straight, but some of them might have a little bent on them slightly. And this will be stained eventually. When all this is glued and stained, I will try to find 2 C channels and put them on the side. That's where the mountain bikes are going to be strapped. And a T-rod, some type, I'm just imagining it now. 1 T-rod where the frame of the bikes will lean on and stay straight. So there you go, guys. Told you. I know you would like this shit. That's why I got all that crap in my mind. Laters. Peace.